This is Article 5-B. The Uniform Interstate Family Support Act, UIFSA. 102 definitions. Child means an individual, whether or not they're over the age of majority, who is or is alleged to be owed a duty of support by the individual's parent, or is alleged to be the beneficiary of a support order directed to the parent. 2. Child support order means a support order for a child, including a child over the age of majority under the law of the issuing state or foreign country. 3. Convention means the Convention on the International Recovery of Child Support and Other Forms of Family Maintenance, concluded at The Hague in 2007. 4. Duty of support means an obligation imposed or imposable by law to provide support for a child, spouse, or former spouse, including an unsatisfied obligation to provide support. 5. Foreign country means a country, including a political subdivision thereof, other than the U.S., that authorize the issuance of support orders, and I, which has been declared under the law of the U.S. to be a reciprocating country. I, which established a reciprocal arrangement for child support with this state. I, which enacted a law or established procedure for issuance and enforcement of support orders, which are substantially similar to the procedures under this article. Or 4, in which the convention is in force with respect to the U.S. 6. Foreign support order means a support order of a foreign tribunal. 7. Foreign tribunal means a court, administrative agency, or quasi-judicial entity of a foreign country which is authorized to establish, enforce, and modify support orders or to determine parentage of a child. This term includes a competent authority under the convention. 8. Home state means the state or foreign country in which a child lived with a parent or person acting as a parent for at least 6 consecutive months immediately preceding the filing of the petition, and if a child is less than 6 months, where they lived from birth with any of them. Temporary absence is counted in part of the 6-month period. 9. Income means everything in the 5241 of the CPLR. 10. Income holding order means an order of legal process. Income payers, 5241, same shit. 11. Initiating tribunal means the tribunal of a state or foreign country from which a petition or a pleading is forwarded, or in which a petition or a pleading is filed for forwarding to another state or foreign country. 12. Issuing foreign country means the foreign country in which a tribunal issues a support order or a judgment determining parentage of a child. 13. Issuing state means the state in which a tribunal issues a support order or a judgment determining parentage. 13. I think I did that one just now. Okay, 13. I'm doing it again because I don't think I did it too good. 13. Issuing state means the state in which a tribunal issues a support order or a judgment determining parentage of a child. So issuing foreign country and issuing state mean the same thing. It's where a tribunal within them issues either a support order or a judgment determining parentage of a child. 14. Issuing tribunal means the tribunal of a state or foreign country that issues a support order or a judgment determining parentage. 15. Law includes decisional and statutory law and rules and regulations having the force of law. 16. Obligee means an individual to whom a duty of support is or alleged to be owed, or in whose favor a support order or judgment determining parentage of a child has been issued. A foreign country, state, political subdivision of a state to which the rights under a duty for support have been assigned, or which has independent claims based on paying out that person welfare. III, an individual seeking a judgment determining parentage of the individual's child. Or 4, a person that is a creditor in a proceeding under Part 7 of this article. So that's the convention thing. So a person that is a creditor in a proceeding under the convention part of this article. 17, obligor means an individual or the estate of a decedent that I owes or is alleged to owe a duty of support. II is alleged but is not adjudicated a parent of a child. III is liable under a support order. Or IV. So a debtor in a proceeding under Part 7 of this article. So both of them, obligee and obligor, they each have 4 definitions, and they basically kind of go together. 18, outside this state means a location in another state or in a country other than the U.S., whether or not the country is a foreign country. 19, person means individual, entity, government, anything that you could possibly think of, I think they put in here. Any legal, commercial, or commercial entity. 20, record means information that is inscribed on a tangible medium or stored in electronic or other medium and is retrievable in perceivable form. 21, register means to file in a tribunal of this state a support order or judgment determining parentage of a child that was issued in another state or a foreign country. Means a tribunal in which a support order or judgment determining parentage of a child is issued in another state or... Oh, that's not right. 22, registering tribunal means a tribunal in which a support order or judgment determining parentage of a child is registered. 23, responding state means a state in which a petition or comparable pleading for support or to determine parentage is filed, or to which a petition or comparable pleading is forwarded for filing from another state or foreign country. 24, responding tribunal means the authorized tribunal in a responding state or foreign country. 25, spousal support order means a support order issued to a spouse or former spouse of the obligor. 26, state means a territory of the U.S., District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands, Mariana Islands, or any territory or insular possession under the jurisdiction of the U.S. 23, responding state means a state in which a petition or comparable pleading for support or to determine parentage is filed, or to which a petition or comparable pleading is forwarded for filing from another state or foreign country. 24, responding tribunal means the authorized tribunal in a responding state or foreign country. 25, spousal support order means a support order issued to a spouse or former spouse of the obligor. 26, state means a territory of the U.S., District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands, Mariana Islands, or any territory or insular possession under the jurisdiction of the U.S. Also includes an Indian nation or tribe. 27, support enforcement agency means a public official, government entity, or private agency authorized to 1, seek enforcement of support orders or laws relating to duty of support. 2, seek establishment or modification of child support. 3, request determination of parentage of a child. 3, request determination of parentage of a child. 4, attempt to locate obligors or their assets. Or 5, request determination of the controlling child support order. 28, support order means a judgment, decree, decision, or directive, whether temporary or final, whether or not it's subject to modification, issued in a state or foreign country for the benefit of a child, spouse, or former spouse, which provides for monetary support, health care, arrearages, retroactive support, or reimbursement for financial assistance provided to an individual obligee in place of child support. The term may include related costs, fees, interest, income withholding, automatic adjustment, reasonable attorney's fees, and other relief. 29. Tribunal means a court, administrative agency, or quasi-judicial entity authorized to establish, enforce, or modify support orders or determine parentage of a child. And that is the end of the definitions.